Hello, in this video I want to show you real quick how you can find videos on generating Gerber files and what they are for. Whether you're using Altium Designer, OrCAD, or just in general, here's some videos you can check on my channel. So if you type in Gerber on my channel, right, you can look and see how to generate Gerber files for Allegro. You can also see how to create Gerber files, or to check your Gerber files in OrCAD 17.4. In Altium, you can generate your Gerber files plus ODB++ files. And here's a more detailed process on how to generate not only your Gerber files, but your drill file. I think this video is really, really important. PCB design Gerber files. So watch this one, and the link is in the description below, and also might be available somewhere here. And if you're using OrCAD 17.2, you can do your Gerber and drill for manufacturer, right? There's also a cool way to generate your Gerber files using color view saves. Let's see. Oh, and when I was working on a CNC milling machine, I would import people's Gerber files. So you get to see the import process of a PID board. Okay, this is actually a control board. They call it PID for proportional integral derivative. If you're into control systems, which I am, that's really my expertise, actually, control systems. And then we have the asynchronous multivibrator. And here's a full milling machine tutorial on how to use software for a CNC machine. The Accurate CNC 420 or 424, I can't remember, 427. All right, yeah, that is all the information I have on this. Check out these videos. They're in the links are in the description, especially this one, this long one right here that explains the Gerber files in depth and how to generate them. Well, how to generate the Gerber files in depth, but all of these are good. All right, later.